Annyeonghaseyo, Chaedamin, D Shanda Pidao. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today we will be unboxing my Ipsy bag for July 2018. I will leave all of the information down below about Ipsy. Let's go ahead and get started. So, this is what my Ipsy bag looks like. It's holographic. It's this blue color, kind of like aquamarine, and it's really holographic. I love it. This is the back right here. This is like old school Ipsy bag. If you've been subscribed to Ipsy like I have for years and years and years and years and years, their bags were always this side and the zipper was always in the front like this. And by the way, this is the zipper tag. It says Ipsy on there. If it would focus, hocus pocus focus. Okay, so all of their bags were like this. So I love it because it just reminds me of when Ipsy first started, when they were called My Glam, and this is what all their bags looked like until a couple of years ago when they started changing up and having variations of bags and things. So this, I love this. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so let's see what we got inside, all right? First of all, let's see, pull out the card. There's a lot of things in here, my goodness. This is the card right here. That's the front of the card. And who's on the front? Her name is Say the Lees. That's her name. Here's the back there. Doesn't tell you any prices or anything. I'm going to assume that the theme is summer or diving into summer, because this does kind of look like water to me. So I don't know if that's the theme or not. I'm just making stuff up. I digress. All right, so we got here from Ofra Cosmetics. I got an eyeshadow. It looks like it's black. I'll show you what that looks like. You can't see it inside there. And it says eyeshadow exquisite. Use in palettes and kits. So it doesn't have a shade name, but I love getting palettes like, or little pots like this, because I have a magnetic Z palette that I put those in. There's no shade name on the back either, but this looks like it's black, but not like a dark, like coal black. It's black, like a grayish black with some shimmer in it. That's what she looks like. See that? So that's awesome. A good black eyeshadow is needed. It is. It's needed. And I love when I get them because there's so much you can do with that black. And it's funny because when I first started wearing makeup, I had no idea what to do with a black eyeshadow. I'm like, how am I going to wear this? But you can use it for smoky eyes and things like that. Anywho, next thing we have is from Sage Cosmetics, and this is a nail polish, and it is vegan and cruelty-free, made in the USA. What color are you, though? Oh, you're Red Carnival. Ooh, red. My favorite color is red. That's what the box looks like. That's the shade name right there. And here is that beautiful red color. Oh, yes. It's like a corally red. It's not like a true red, but it's like an orangey red or coral red. Nice, nice, nice. I cannot wait to use this. All right, nice. The last time I got a nail polish was, I think, in my May bag, and I used the devil out that polish. It was purple, and it was amazing. Next thing that we have in here is from Ahava, and this is the Time to Clear Facial Mud Exfoliator. Looks like that there. I'll probably use this tonight because it's time to exfoliate my face. That's the other side there. And then from It's a 10, I got the Miracle Leave-In in light Miracle Leave-In. This is 2 ounces. And that's what it looks like there. And you know, you can find It's a 10 products, I believe, at Ulta. Probably, yeah, at Ulta, definitely. That's where I get mine from, at least. And let's see what this smells like. Oh, it smells good. This smells nice. Very nice. All right, so glad to get the leave-in because this can go in my purse whenever you need, you know, to hydrate my hair, which is dry hair. So hydration in my hair is a must. The last thing I have is from Sugar Cosmetics. This is the Stroke of Genius Duty Free Kohl eyeshadow eyeliner in the color Purple Rain. So this is what the outside of it looks like there. Shade name and such. And then there's the actual eyeliner, and it is purple. So I can't wait. I'll probably use this tomorrow. All right, my friends, that's everything. No mas, everything that is in my Ipsy bag for the month of July 2018. Let's recap, shall we? From Sugar Cosmetics, I got the eyeliner in Purple Rain. I also got from It's a 10 their Miracle Leave-In, the light version. There must be a regular version, but I got the light version, and it smells really good too. I got from Ahava the Time to Clear Facial Mud Exfoliator. And from Sage Cosmetics, I got the nail polish in Red Carnival, which looks like that there. And then from Ofra, I got this black eyeshadow, and I don't know what the color is, unfortunately, because it doesn't say it on there. I'm just double checking. Nope, doesn't say it on there, but I'm sure that it's on the Ipsy website, so I have to look there and see what it is. All right, my friends. That's the card. That's everything in my Ipsy bag for July 2018. If you get Ipsy, let me know what you got in your bag. Leave it down below in the comments section, because we all get different things. Because what I like about Ipsy is that it is the things inside the bag are based on your profile, what your skin type is, what your skin tone is, what type of hair you have, if your hair is oily or dry, and things that you like. So we all get something different, and I love it. So let me know, you guys, what you got down below, please. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that as well, because when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, and I will let you know what that giveaway is when I reach that threshold. But first of all, gotta get there. And I'm moving along. I'm not quite there yet, but you know, I'm getting close. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to my new MO subscribers. I will talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나